Hi there, thank you so much for watching this video today. I'm sending lots of love to you and around the globe. Today's presentation is about colors and lights. It was a few weeks into the pandemic when I started feeling down. I couldn't put my finger on it, but I was in a funk. I looked around the inside of my home and it just looked drab. In fact, it felt sad. All the furniture and decor, brown, tan, and beige. Boring. I didn't think much more about it, but a few weeks later, I got a colored LED light bulb. And when I turned it on, the room instantly felt warmer and cheerier. And that's when I suddenly remembered how colors are beneficial for our health and our moods. Light color therapy, also called chromotherapy, is based upon the fact that colors are beneficial both psychologically and physiologically. Colors are a great mood enhancer. They decrease depression, anxiety, and stress. Colors stimulate natural healing and increase clarity and awareness. And the elites, the influencers, the reality acts, they do not want us to know that something as simple as colors can raise our awareness, because they want us to live inside a brain fog. Electrosmog produced from 5G towers, chain blocking, cloud storage, and chemtrails. They want to keep us clueless sheeple while they chip us, collect all our data, and track and trace us. Brainwashing, manipulation, mind control are your enemies, and it's out there. It's on the television, it's on the internet, it's in advertising, it's in the air. People nowadays say they're so woke and above brainwashing. But are you really? Or is that just what they want us to think? I will show you how to turn their lights off and turn yours on. The world needs you to glow and shine like never before. It's time for you to show up in a lighter, brighter way. Check out these great reasons to recolorize your reality. Each color has its own frequency and vibration of its own. Here's a few examples. Blue for serenity, relaxation, and protection. Green, harmony, healing, and money. Yellow, clarity, happiness, and success. Red, passion, motivation, increased metabolism. Orange, increased vitality and energy, and a sense of welcoming. Purple, luxury, romance, prosperity. Pink, affection, and love. Many items that you normally use every day can be used for mood-enhancing color therapy, such as LED lights, candles, LED decor, lighted essential oil diffusers, salt lamps, reflective objects such as glass, crystal, and shiny metallic surfaces, glow sticks, and sun glasses. This also includes mirrors. Mirrors reflect light all around the room. I have LED decor in every room of my home, on the patio and in the yard too. So I totally recommend light color therapy for shifting and alchemizing your moods. Who knew wearing sunglasses was therapeutic? Thank you so much for being here today. If you'd like to learn more, then cruise on over to missionascension.com. It will be well worth your time and well worth your energy. But before you go over there, please subscribe to this channel and push like on this video so others may receive this transmission. Thank you very much. I'm sending you peace, love, and light.